In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter transactions in your QuickBooks Online register. Manual entry is helpful when a transaction isn't coming in through bank feeds, when you're recording something historical, or when you need to fix or complete your records with precise details. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to save your work with confidence. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online account and landing on your dashboard. Give the page a moment to load so your menus and shortcuts appear. Keeping your internet stable helps prevent issues while you're saving transactions. Next, head to your chart of accounts. This is the list that defines every account in your books: bank, credit card, cash, income, expenses, and more. It's essentially the backbone of your bookkeeping because it determines where money comes from and where it goes. If you're unsure which account to use, think about where the transaction physically lives. A payment from your checking account belongs in that bank account's register, while a credit card charge belongs in the credit card register. Find the account you want to update, then open its register by selecting View Register. The register is a running list of transactions for that account, shown in rows and columns. You'll see fields for date, payee, memo or description, category, and the amount. You may also see columns for payment and deposit, a check number or reference, and a status column for cleared or reconciled transactions. This layout mirrors a traditional checkbook, but with more bookkeeping detail. To add a new transaction, click into the row or column where QuickBooks lets you enter information and begin filling in the required fields. Choose the date that matches when the transaction occurred. Select the payee if there is one, and use the memo to add context you'll appreciate later. Pick the correct category, also called the account or ledger you want to post to, such as an expense category for a purchase or an income category for a deposit. Enter the amount on the correct side, payment or deposit. If you use sales tax, classes, or locations, fill those in as needed. Only mark a transaction as cleared if you know it has cleared the bank. Otherwise, leave it unchecked until you reconcile. When everything looks accurate, click Save. You'll see the new line appear in the register instantly. If you spot a mistake, open the transaction again, adjust the fields, and save once more. Repeat this process for any additional entries you need. With careful dates, clear memos, and consistent categories, your register will stay accurate and easy to reconcile later.